welcome back to the channel. Today I have a video for you of my top 5 sneakers to pick up just before Christmas. Most of these are pretty recent releases I think you should pick up just before Christmas, otherwise I think the price will go up. And then one is a pretty old release which I think will just be perfect for next summer, so this is the perfect time to pick it up. And we'll start with that one. So the first one I'm going to tell you about is the Jordan 3. And that's in the mocha colorway. I think this colorway is superb. With the hints of pink and the brown at the back, this colorway is incredibly clean and will be perfect for summer next year. So I think now is the perfect time to pick this up before these go through the roof, because I think they will. Because Jordan 3s, this is one of the cleanest colorways they've done. So next on the list is an absolute classic, and obviously it had to be a pair of Dunks. Dunks have had a superb year for Nike. They've pretty much sold out pretty much every nice colorway they've done. And this is the colorway I've chosen, and it's the medium olive colorway. It doesn't really matter what colorway, because there's so many variations out there, you can pick whichever one you want. And we're only 2 days before Christmas. This is a last minute gift you could get, and they're not too expensive. It's a relatively cheap shoe. I know they're only about £90 retail, but if you're getting them for resale, it's about £200-ish depending on the color. So it's a good last minute gift, and if you don't want to break the bank on some of the other shoes that I have in this video, this is a good one to go for, and they have every color, so no matter who you're buying for, they'll have the color that you want. However, the only downfall with these is the quality isn't too good, so if they're going to wear them, this is the shoe for them. If they're just a collector, don't get them a Dunk, because this shoe's made to be worn. So third on the list is a recent release, and you can probably tell what it is just by the box. I've done a video on these before, and I absolutely love these. So I got exclusive access on sneakers for these, and it's the Nike SB Dunk Orange Lobsters, and these are incredible. If you have a little bit extra money to spend this Christmas, these are what I'd be picking up. They are absolutely spectacular. Every little detail on them, from the elastic lobster clasp for the toe box to the inside sock liner, these are just amazing, and the quality is exceptional. And obviously the story behind them is amazing. So I would definitely be picking these up. They just released in the US, so I think prices are going to drop, so it'll be the perfect time to pick them up just before Christmas, or maybe even a few days after, but I wouldn't leave it any longer than that. Number 4 on the list, well, you knew this one would be on the list, and this is the Nike Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Look at them. Arguably the sneaker of the year. I had to put these on the list. These are up there with one of my favorite releases of a Jordan 1 in a long time. The colors, the details, everything, the additional receipts and all the little details like that just make this shoe a little bit special. And it's the perfect gift for a sneaker collector around Christmas time. I think they're around 400 to 450 pounds, but if you manage to pick them up, the person you're buying them for, or even yourself, you're gonna love them, because they're absolutely amazing and definitely worth the hype. And then last on the list is a sneaker that even I've not managed to get yet, because I think the price is going down, and I think actually just after Christmas will be the perfect time to buy them. So I have the small kids version here, and you can tell what it is. It's the Nike Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low in Phantom Black colorway. These will be perfect for going back to school after Christmas, because to me, that's basically a school shoe. But cool design. I like the little details of the shoe, and even on the baby one, it has the exact same details as on the adult pair, but the price has seemed to have dropped. It was around £900 on the release day, and it's dropped now to about just the top of £500 to £600. So depending on your size, I would pick them up maybe just after Christmas, because I think a lot of people will be trying to get rid of them. And then after Christmas to New Year, I think the price will start to rise, because people will have a little bit extra spending money from Christmas and be trying to purchase them. But these ones I will be getting in the collection soon, because I have a comparison very soon. But thank you very much for watching. This was just a quick video of my top 5 sneakers to pick up around Christmas time, and I hope you all have an amazing Christmas and a great New Year.